right side, that's a Montersberg, that's a mountain.
Alright, what's up you guys? This is the start of part 2 of day 7 for the travel. Guys, we are waiting for the bus. We took a little nap, but now it's time for the walking tour.
I'm gonna ground in.
So
I just did that too.
the bus is gonna come right here,
I almost fell face.
and we're waiting for it. What's up guys, we're on the bus. Hey guys, we're off the bus and we're on our way to our little meeting spot.
The video I watched about this was they were totally
We are close to our meeting spot. I don't even know what this is, but yeah, we're gonna go on a tour of Salzburg. Little flower garden. Hey you guys, we are waiting for our tour guide. Yeah, cool. The meeting point is that tree, I believe. So now we are waiting. Alright you guys, I'm joined here with Aiden. Are you excited about this tour?
I am very excited indeed, yes.
Me too, I think we're walking for a little while. What do you think, Sky? Are you excited?
Lit.
Watch out, maybe there's a bee around you.
Lit.
Hey, don't you
Alright you guys, we're on our walking tour. Walking right now.
What did you learn? This is this resin.
What do you think?
lit? It's terrible. It's terrible. I hate it.
This place is really nice. It's not too hot in the shade, but our tour is like 2 hours, so we'll be busy.
Montersberg mountain on my right side. That's a Montersberg, that's a mountain you can see. The sound of music moving.
Hey guys, we're back on the bus. We're on our way back home.
Dear passengers.
What's up you guys? We just got off of the bus right here. Super easy, very impressed with the efficiency of their system here. But yeah, now we're gonna go back inside and have some dinner. Alright you guys, I just finished uploading or editing video number 6, so that's gonna upload right now. And now we're gonna eat dinner.
We're eating dinner. What's up, vlog?
Here's our dinner. Looks really good. Chicken, potato, veggie, salad.
Everything's off. It's just hot.
Delicious. So we're gonna enjoy that in our beautiful space here. Tell you how it is. Hey guys, so this is the dinner. Salad, veggies, some yummy chicken, little potato. But the chicken looks really good, so now we're gonna enjoy it right here in our nice room. Here. Yep. Alright, what's up you guys? We finished dinner. It was really good and had a little ice cream sandwich. And now I'm going with these two to a park. I think we're gonna play some soccer. Or
You're about to get
see what we do, but yeah. And then
You cannot score on me.
we'll go home. And then tomorrow we got whitewater rafting in the mountains or something pretty far. So yeah, see you in a sec. Right, you guys, the little field we were at was closed. It was locked. So now we're checking out another one that's a little farther away. Well, we're in this little parking lot trying to find the way.
Yeah, Gavin.
That's a hard ball, right?
We're already playing. Alright guys, so that parking lot was also a fail. So now we're going back to that spot that we were supposed to follow on the actual road.
It's alright, we're gonna find it.
Yeah.
We're gonna find a way.
Fail. What's up you guys, live from Austria. It's kind of weird out here, there's nobody outside. It's confusing. It's 9 p.m. on a Tuesday, I think. Yeah, I don't know. Got a Michelin store, but yeah, we're almost there. It's weird, it's so quiet. Why is it so quiet?
It's school night.
And like, you guys don't see it. I don't think it's this dark on the camera.
Tuesday?
But it is a work night, I guess. And people get up at like 5 a.m. I think. But all these people are like workers in the city, I think. Yeah, I don't know. When we find out, I'll let you guys know. Alright, you guys, we made it to the little park. Oh, there's swings. You guys can't really see, but yeah, it's really dark. I left the skate. It's not this dark. Like on the camera, it looks really dark, but it's not. Like you can still see in that direction. You can see them. Oh god, it's really muddy though. But you can see. Yeah, it's, you know. What's up you guys? We just played some triangle at the park. We just finished. And now we're walking back. It was not lit at all. There's no lights there, unfortunately. So yeah, we're walking back, but it was good. But yeah. What's up everybody? That's gonna be it for today's video. We made it back from soccer. That was fun at this little field. Hopefully I'll show you guys, but it was really dark, so maybe not. But that's gonna be it. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys tomorrow for some whitewater rafting in Austria. Good night.